Well, hey, y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. You know exactly what we're all here for. We have some spoilers for the October Yes Oh Yes box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos, and now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my full spoilers to the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate Bag. Congratulations, Darla Dawkins. Darla says, girlie, you got it going on with the spoilers. Love ya. Well, thank you so much, Darla. Yeah, this is crunch time around the first of the month, y'all. This is when all the spoilers come out. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And guys, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, you gotta leave a comment under this here video. You're gonna have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. Now these are the October spoilers for Yes Oh Yes, and we've only got a couple spoilers for this for October for some reason. But the first thing, they are showing 2 palettes. Now, you'll either get the Glam Light Miracle palette or the Glam Light, is that Alondra Desi or is it a Tundra Desi? I'm not sure. I mean, the palette is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't know if this is the only 2 variation palettes, but, you know, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. Then the next spoiler that they just revealed today is the MAD Skincare, or the MAD Skincare. Now, they're showing 9 different products on this, so I don't know if there's going to be 9 different variations or if there's just one of these items coming in your box or what. But, you know, again, I'll let y'all know as soon as I find out. But that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And again, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'm going to keep y'all updated. And Yes Oh Yes is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, I do have a code for you to use, guys. It's SelfTaught Beauty, and that is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box if you do want to go try them out. Now, I do make a little itty-bitty commission, but you guys get a discount, so I feel like it's a win-win for both of us. Let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Katie Lejeune. Katie says, thank you for the video. Well, thank you, Katie, for your support, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, y'all got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my likes, my comments, my subscribers. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed, and if you're not, then why the hell not? Leave that in the comments. I want to know. Because it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you only got one option. Only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, really, it just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. You don't miss no more spoilers. You'll be on top of everything. And that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.